Hey, it's Stu Sterling again here. Thanks for tuning in for part 2 in the affiliate marketing mini course. If you missed part 1, you can find the link to it in the description below, so you can check that out if you want to as well. Alright, so let's get into part 2. So basically, just a recap of what this course is covering. Okay, there's 4 things you need to succeed with affiliate marketing. You need the hungry audience, which we talked about in the last video. In this video, we're going to talk about the right offer, where to find it, and kind of a checklist of what you need to look at to find the right offer to promote. Number 3 is the conversion machine, which will be the next video, and then finally traffic. Alright, so where to find offers to promote as an affiliate. So everyone's favorite is Clickbank for many reasons. It's got a ton of products in a ton of niches. They're all downloadable, they're all digital products. There's low ticket to high ticket. It's just really simple to find products and get your links, and there's no real approval process, so it's great for beginners who don't have a website yet. You don't even need a website to get started with Clickbank. Just create an account, fill out your details, and away you go. Warrior Plus, another similar one, is JVZoo, but Warrior Plus, JVZoo, they 99.9% cater to the make money online niche, so just keep that in mind. Offer Vault, Market Health, Odiga, these are kind of like CPA networks where there's all kinds of different, cost per action or cost per lead payouts. Market Health is for especially weight loss products and health products. There's physical products in there as well. Odiga and Offer Vault, they've been around for ages. They're all kinds of leads, get paid for leads, get paid for sales. So you can go and check them out. But for starters, probably the easiest would be Clickbank or Warrior Plus or something like that. So once you're in there and you've got your account, you're going to be looking for products to promote. So hopefully you've got your niche decided and you've got your target prospect locked down. You know exactly the kind of person that you want to sell to. So you need to find a product that's going to fit that. So the best thing to do would be to go and ask the affiliate network support guy or their support staff, and just send them an email or chat or something. Say, hey, this is my niche, I'm looking for the best top 3 converting products in this. What are they? And they'll happily tell you what's converting. So that'll give you an instant advantage right there, instead of guessing which is going to work for you. Because the affiliate networks, they want you to succeed, they want the vendor to succeed. So they've got everyone's best interest in mind. The other way is to spy on other affiliates. So if you go to Google or whatever search engine and you type in a keyword, say for example how to get rid of acne, and then all these listings, and you probably see a lot of products being promoted, and a lot of them will be by affiliates, right? They'll either be promoting like a physical product or a how-to guide or something like that. And you can go and do a bit of spying on them, see what they're promoting, and you'll get an idea of what's working. So I want to go and do a little bit of looking around at a couple of these websites. But before we go on to that, there's a couple of questions that you have to ask before you decide to go and promote this product. Okay, so number 1, does the product work? Does it actually get results? Or is it just promising false dreams or false hopes? You don't want to be selling just some empty promise and the customer's going to buy and get disappointed, and that'll lose credibility on your part as well. Because if you're using email to promote that product, then that subscriber of yours is not going to trust your other recommendations in the future. So it's got to be a product that works, that is actually worth the money. You have to feel good about promoting this product. Okay, so that's looking at the benefits for the customer. But on the other hand, you as an affiliate, you also have to look out for yourself. You've got to ask if the product is worth promoting. Is it going to deliver good EPCs, which is earnings per click? Is it going to convert well? Is it going to make you a profit? Are there going to be high refunds or low refunds? So you want a product obviously that gets low refunds, so you get to keep your commissions. Other things to look at is it recurring? Is it a recurring payout month after month? They're sweet deals if you can find them, because you only have to make the sale once and you can keep getting paid commissions over and over. So those are a few things to look for. Alright, so we're over at Clickbank, everyone's favorite affiliate network, especially for YouTube how-to affiliate marketing videos. But this is just really the easiest network to get started with, and it covers so many niches, and all the big players, well, not all, but many big players are on Clickbank with their products. So their products are converting, their sales pages are converting. Okay, so once you're in Clickbank, come over to the marketplace, and this is where you can find all the offers. So the categories are on the left, so go and find a product in your niche. So let's have a look at employment and jobs. Some people will say search by gravity, but I just like to search by popularity. Okay, so in employment and jobs, we got the most popular on top. So writing jobs 2019, $187 per sale. This is a little confusing. It says $3.92 per sale. So they must have that must be like the payout on the initial trial or something. So for more information on this, you'd want to go to the affiliate page. They probably have upsells or recurring. And these icons at the bottom of the listing here, they'll give you a bit more information. So there is recurring billing here. Pitch Plus, which is an upsell. This one, vendor spotlight. So this vendor is a bit of an A player. Okay, so you could go and promote this one, and to get your link, you can put a tracking ID. For example, if you're doing a YouTube review of this product, or if you want to put it in an email in your autoresponder, you can put in YouTube and generate your link. And that's it. You've got your link right there. You're able to promote straight away. There's no approval time, and away you go. I do recommend you cloak your affiliate links, because this is an obvious affiliate link for anyone who's going to see that link, and it can deter people from clicking. And also some places, like Facebook or something, if you try and post links on there, they won't let you post it. And other autoresponders, if you try and send your affiliate link raw in an email, you can get your account slammed shut. So what you should do is get a link cloaker, or get a tracking system like Clickmagic, which is what I use. You can set up a custom domain on Clickmagic, and you can run all your affiliate links and track them all, track conversions as well through that. So check out Clickmagic. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. Highly recommend that tool. Okay, so let's have a look at another affiliate network, which is Odigger. This is a more CPA style website where you can find all sorts of different offers. Payout types is CPA, cost per action. So an action could be like a sign up or a sale. Cost per lead, you get paid per lead that you refer to that site. CPS, that would be cost per sale. Rev share, that's like a percentage, percentage of the sale. So here's the list of the categories of the different niches that you can go in. You can see by the numbers here, there's a whole lot of dating offers, a whole lot of matchmaking, online dating. So the majority of these offers are in the find a partner, kind of find romance niche. So that gives you some idea of what is selling online. So let's go check some out. Let's go to the dating one. Okay, so $80 for a sale. Okay, $21 payout for an action, which could be a lead or a sale. these are pretty good payouts. These are all sponsored, and because the vendor is paying for a sponsored listing means that, you know, that offer is making money. They're able to afford that sponsored listing. So, you know, you might want to go check this one out. Okay, so to apply for your affiliate link for this one, you're going to have to join this network, the Together Networks. So Odigger is kind of a marketplace and a listing site for other affiliate networks and offers. So all the other like smaller affiliate networks go and list their offers on Odigger. So you're going to have to go and join Together Networks, okay, to get your affiliate link for that offer, the flirt.com one. Okay, so that was a quick run through of how to find some nice offers to promote as an affiliate. You know, make sure the offer actually works, make sure it's worth promoting for your sake, that you're able to make a profit from it. And whenever you have a question or anything, you can, you know, ask the affiliate network support team for their advice or something as well. So thanks for watching this video. This is part 2. Stay tuned for part 3, where we're going to talk about building a conversion machine. That'll be a really good one. So again, if you're new to my channel, or if you're new to my email list or anything, check out the links below. I'm giving away a bunch of free stuff. And if you like what you see, a thumbs up on the video and a comment would be nice as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe as well. And if you're struggling with any of these things that we've talked about so far, with choosing a niche or choosing an affiliate offer to promote, hit me up, reply to any of my emails, or contact me, find me on Facebook, or ask me a question in the YouTube comments. Then I'll do my best to answer you back. But thanks again, I'll see you in the next video.